In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this cinematic title in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so here we are in the edit tab. I have taken this random clip from pexels.com. So now what I will do is I will go in the titles, grab a text plus, change the title. Okay. So now I will right click over here, select follower, and I will go in the fusion. Okay, frame 0, I will select the template and go in the modifiers. Now I will change the order to random but 1 by 1 and I will change the delay to 1.6. Okay, so now I'll go in the shading and I will animate the softness. I will max out the softness of X and Y both, put a keyframe, go on the 20th frame and set this to default 0. Okay, so now what I will do is I will go in the tools to change the tracking. I will animate the tracking as well. I will put a keyframe on tracking. I will change the value to 1.6 something. Okay, this is fine. And I will go on the 20th frame, make it default. Okay, this is the cinematic title in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you add this effect in your videos to make them look more cinematic. My name is Ameya and I will see you in the next video.